Hi everyone, what is the answer of 3 over 3 divided by 3 over 2 multiplied by 2? Is it A, 9, B, 36, C, 18? First, let us see the common mistake that people they used to do. They take 3 over 3 divided by 3 over 2 multiplied by 2. Since they see there is multiplication here, they simplify by 2, 1 by 2, 1, 3 power 3, they got 27 divided by 3, and they get the answer equal to 9. But this is not correct. A is not the answer. Let us solve the right way step by step. First of all, exponent has higher priority than division and multiplication. So, I'm going to take 3 power 3, which I get 27, divided by 3 over 2, multiplied by 2. Next, we are going to divide, but we divide fraction. So, I'm going to keep 27. I'll change division to multiplication. And then I'm going to reciprocate 3 over 2. That is going to be 2 over 3 multiplied by 2. Here I can simplify by 3, 1, by 3, 9, 9 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, we got 36. So, 36 is the correct answer. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on order of operation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.